Nanjing Diamond Hope Machinery Trading Company Limited was founded in 2009, which is located in Nanjing, Jiangsu Province. In wheel and accessories field, we have more than 20 years experience. To promote our brand, we attend offline exhibitions, also enter online platforms. Our products are exported to Europe, America, and other regions. Car wheel accessories and truck accessories are our main products. Car wheel accessories like lug nuts, bolts, adapter, and so on. Truck accessories like nut covers, wheel simulator, axle covers, hubcap. Steel, stainless steel, and ABS nut covers, which are used to protect the lug nuts. More than 50 kinds of designs are available. 2 different install methods, different hacks and sizes for your choice. We fully practice the core values of customer-oriented management, quality-oriented, truth-seeking and pragmatic, and is committed to manufacturing better products for global customers and creating world-renowned brands. We sincerely welcome honored guests to have a business negotiation.